Yes, na me be Bash himself. Message to Pastor Johnson Suleiman. Me want tell you today, you are not the only pastor in Nigeria. You are too rude. And you are too proud. Now only you dey Nigeria wey be say na only you blogger dey use. Now only you dey Nigeria wey be say all the comedians dey use. And you are too rude. Now only you dey reply blogger. Now only you dey reply comedian. Now if they talk different talk. Okay, many pastors dey Nigeria. You are too stubborn, you are too rude. You are just a person who just put on coats so that people will be seeing you as a decent or as a respectful person. Dress the way you are, because you are just a rude and a stubborn pastor that I've never seen in my life. You are not the only pastor in Nigeria. We have a lot of big pastors in Nigeria. We have a pastor that called Adeboye. We have a pastor that called Pastor Chris. We have a pastor that called Jeremiah Omotofufi. Those are pastors. Those are big pastors. But they don't proud with things. They don't shout with things. They don't come out on social media and start replying blogger. They don't come out on social media and start saying most of irrelevant word. You are not the only pastor that we have in that country. We have a lot of pastors in Nigeria. We have big pastors. We have a respectful pastor that respect themselves. Now let you go talk. I was praying for Corona not to end. Because of the Corona, that was when I bought my third train, my third private jet. You understand? And you know that other pastors also have this private jet. You are not the only pastor in Nigeria. You are not the only pastor in Nigeria. We have a big pastor. Because of I was praying for Corona not to end. That was when I got my third private jet. Are you the only pastor that have private jet? And the other one, you say people were asking me where am I seeing money from? And I told them when I speak tongues, that is my machine that I used to print money. Are you the only pastor that print money? And your tongue can they get money? You are not the only pastor. We have big pastor. Please bring yourself down. You are too proud. You are too proud. At the end of the day, you say, if anyone carry your name again, carry on social media again, you go. If you carry on social media, you go make far anywhere where that person dey for abroad, anywhere for this country, you go soon the person. Now only you dey, now only you sabi the soon person. Abroad be like Nigeria when you go give police money, give lawyer money of the day. At the end of the day, they go just go arrest the person, lock the person for prison, lock up for everywhere. Before you send your lawyer to abroad to come and file case for you, that lawyer need to speak the language of that place. He need to speak the language of that place. Do you think that it's just easy something that you can just file case and I want to sue so person? Are you the only pastor in Nigeria? We have a lot of big pastors. You should bring yourself down. You are too rude. You are too stubborn. You are just pretend that you are a gentle person. You are not just a gentle person. You are the most stubborn pastor I've never seen in this world. You reply blogger. You reply people. Are you the only pastor in Nigeria that people use? No. And you need to listen to what is coming out from your mouth because you're too proud. You dey bring anything when you do, you go bring and come out. Anything you do for people, you go bring and come out. Why blogger no go take am? Why blogger? The rest pastor wey blogger no dey take. You think say they fear them? We know they fear them. We can take any. Take do something, but these people respect what comes out from their mouth. They are not proud. They are not proud. But if they talk sometimes, president not go even both talk. You want to fight case? If anybody they use my picture, they do about this, you go do this. You have to take my brother. Bring yourself down. You are too proud. I have this, I have done this, I've touched people's life. You always talk refer to people's life, refer to things that don't have existence. Are you the only pastors? We have a lot of pastors in Nigeria. Adeboye is there, Pastor Chris is there, and Jeremiah is there, Omotofufu. Those people are big pastors, but they keep themselves. Look at Pastor Chris. Pastor Chris is a pastor, but he's a very big pastor in Nigeria. But we know they hear him out like this. You know they talk out of they talk different things like that. Blogger go carry wetin you talk na the work of blogger. That was why you need to control wetin dey your mouth. Not be say you go come dey like this, so you dey bring out everything on social media. You want to reply people before you use my picture, you have to take my permission and I have machine that print money. I speak tongues. A lot of money. You go there. Why you not speak that same tongues so that may a lot enter the whole poor people when they are in Nigeria? If a lot enter all of their phone, all of their life go change. I bet may you bring yourself down, my friend. Now people carry you put for that level. If people not Jesus Christ will die for cross of Calvary. Now so you take the proud. Now so you take the show. things. I say they show himself because of sickness. I bought my third private jet. Because of this one, I do this one. Now, that's what these people they do. No, Jesus Christ do. You bring yourself down, my friend. People put you in that level. If people don't support you, how could you get to that extent? People help you. People put you in that extent. Abi, do you think that a tree can make a forest? It cannot make a forest. People are the one that make that tree to become a forest. You should respect the people. You should mind what comes out from your mouth, so that blogger will not be taking it and use it. You don't say something that blogger will use. When blogger starts using it, you now come out on social media. If you do it without my permission, if you do this, I will fight. That will come and pick it from. What do you think about abroad? Do you think at least you have been to abroad? You think abroad is like Nigeria, where you can just count money and give someone to go and put person in prison? Abroad is not like that, brother. But before you soon person in abroad, you have to teach your lawyer how to speak the language before you continue anything. Even if anybody can deal with, even if it is president, don't stop telling your people, telling your member that you can soon person to anywhere all over the country, because they are not be to anywhere. They will just be listening. Papa is saying something. You are not the only pastor. But you should respect yourself, for Christ's sake. Respect God and yourself. Don't wear code that people will be seeing you because you put on code, meaning you are decent. You are just a rude. Even pastor that we normally the pastor Idagboski Bausi. That was why we love that man, because that man bring out real who he is. He don't hide himself. He said, "This is who I am. Take me like this. If you don't take me, you leave me." Idagboski bring real who he is. He never bring any other person. He never pretend. He never form where he said, "This is who I am. I'm Idagboski. Take me as I am." That is what he's actually doing. If you like him. If you like him, hate him. That was why I love that man very much. See, Pastor Jeremiah, he helps a lot of people. Don't proud with those things. He don't say I have machine that print money. He don't say that I was happy that Corona not to end because I got my third private jet. He don't say that when I speak tongues I like to go the enter phone. Those are Adeboye. I've never uttered this kind of word. Learn. Learn. Don't you have personal advisor that will be advising you? Mind the kind of talk you talk. You are too proud. So do away with those things. Don't put you in that extent, put you in that level. How long will you continue with this kind of thing? And you are not the only person in Nigeria. Blogger can use your name at any time. Only if you have something, if you say something that they will not use, nobody will mind you. Those are the things. But if you say something that they will mind, they will carry the matter out. They go talk on. Wait till you get what you want go to fight them. I beg, you get money, you get them for your pocket. You not get them for this one pocket. Respect the money, respect people see they around you. Mind waiting they come out for your mouth. Not the Alpha, people get money for Nigeria. President, governor, senator, people they know they talk wetin they talk. Sometimes they talk. And no, if God give you the gift, God can give another person that same gift. But you should just at least respect what comes out from your mouth. That is what blogger is using. Because you are not the only pastor. As far as blogger they use you, you should take it like that. Don't reply blogger. Don't say something that blogger. If you mention my name, if you do, stop this. Stop this, if I may ask. If you don't have anybody to tell you, I have come out to tell you. People cannot be afraid of you because you are not God. Number one, God give you that gift. God gives you that gift. That same God can give another person that more than that gift. You are not God. You can't conclude on human's life that you should just go and go. Because as far as God is alive, God is an existence to every living human being on earth. God is not a partial God who you can just command, go and kill heaven and earth, you go just go and kill them. Get that one your head score. It's too much, my brothers and sisters. Bring yourself down. Proudness is not a life. People artists go even buy something before they go to show am, they go to talk different things, they print money, they pray corona, but you are not saying it. I beg, I don't have time for this. People and share the video, make reach where they making no say man, his proudness is too much. He should bring himself down so that people will follow him according to his step. Should not be chatting on people saying sort of different, really unexistent something, and now people come carry and now you come dey tell them say you come dey reply them. Have I ever seen pastor that reply blogger? You are the only pastor that reply blogger. You are the only pastor that say something rude and stubborn. Be very big. Go abeg, you go relax yourself, my friend. You no dey feed person. Person no dey feed you, make you chill. Na people put you for that position. If not be people, if you not reach that level.